Morning everyone, this is Garrett with PWSC. We're out here at a commercial job where we're going to clean up the concrete in the building. A lot of people ask what we do when we say commercial pressure washing, so just want to make a quick video, kind of show you the things we do.
At PWSC, we have commercial grade equipment. As you just saw, that was our 5-gallon minute pump trailer. It has downstream soap injection, as well as it can produce heat. Here's our big trailer. It does heat, downstream soap, 660 gallons, 10 gallons a minute, so we can actually run 2 guns. Here's the concrete before. You can see the black staining, the mold, the dirt. And then on the building, I want you to focus on the gutters, just kind of the overall image of the building. It's kind of dirty, dull. There's spider webs and black streaks on the gutters. When we get to the after photos here, you're going to notice that it just kind of pops. The concrete's very clean, no grease, no dirt, nothing for customers to slip on. As you can see, it's still drying in some sections. On the building, it almost looks like it got a new paint job. The customer is very happy with this job today. The building cleaned up nice. Like I said, the gutters are clean. There's no more streaking. Very good customer appeal. When we get to the other side here, I want you to just look at how bright it is compared to how it was before. Sorry for the sun glare here. But you'll be able to see that there's no spider webs, there's no black streaking, the gutters are clean. Cleaned up very nice. So if you have a commercial building that you need cleaned, please give us a call.